Hey everybody, happy Friday. I just wanted to give a quick highlight of some really cool new features that we released this week. So we have a lot of improvements in the works, but one of the big areas where we really feel we wanted to improve was in our time entry suggestions, in editing them, regenerating them, and so we focused on that quite a bit these last few weeks. What's new here? Well, there's a lot. The big thing is, let me move this over here. So when you hover over your time entry suggestion card, you obviously see the title, description, any suggestions here, and tasks. We added an activity panel button so you can toggle this on or off, and it will show you the top titles and apps and websites on the right, just to add more context to what you were working on. But then we really worked on improving these quick actions. So these are really helpful when you're reviewing your day and you either want to merge a time entry candidate, split it, or just regenerate it. So now when you click on these, you'll see they have a few different options and they have some updated shortcuts. So you can regenerate it, you can split it, or you can merge it, right? So let's start with regenerate. You can do a quick regenerate, which will use our AI to regenerate the title and description while keeping the start and end time the same. If you click advanced regenerate, you'll get this nice pop-up here, and this has a few different options. So you can use AI regenerate, so you can say, make it more concise, add details, or anything really, right? Add more details, let's say. If I click regenerate here, it's going to give you a new title description, which you can, of course, edit. And then, if you want to say linear onboarding and team components, right? And then hit save changes, and you'll see that that's updated there. Now, if I do Command-Shift-G again, that will do a quick regenerate, which works as well. Or Command-G to open up this more advanced menu. So another option here is just manually editing it. That's the second one. So if you want to just get right into it, you can always just up that and tests, right? And that will immediately update it. In terms of split, so we had a lot of bugs with split. We fixed all of those. So now you have quick split, which will use our AI, and then advanced split. So quick split, you can use a prompt to try and split it up. So this is like, let's see, split into two time entry suggestions at 11 a.m. That's going to also use AI to then regenerate the time entry suggestions. Let's see if this works. Okay, and then if you see, it's created two new time entries here, both at 11. The other thing that we did, which you can see right now, is that we actually created a new loading generated screen. But so now I said split at 11, it split that time entry into two different time entries right at 11. So that's the AI one. If I do advanced split, we also have manual splits. Sometimes it's just easier to do it manually. You can drag, this pin here, and Rise will split the resulting entries into two. You could pop these entries open to see details. So if you were like, I think I was in Slack until around 10:40, and I want that to be the first one, then you can, split there, and it'll help you find where to split. You can also add additional split points. So if I wanted to split this into 3, right, I could do that. Split it into 4, I could do that. I'm gonna remove this and just actually split it in half. So this will be like 10:45, let's say, split. You can see immediately it splits into 2. We have this new generating loading view, which is nice. We've improved the speed of our predictions a lot for these time entry suggestions, so you'll see that. And you can see those are the two new ones split up. With merge, we added 2 quick actions, so you can quickly merge up, which will basically means take this time entry, merge it into the one before, and use the title and description of that one. I can merge it down, which Command-Shift-D, so that goes below. And then there's advanced options here as well. So you can easily merge up and down. You see, if you're merging up, you see the time entry suggestion, what it's merging to. And what's kind of cool is that, let's say you want to merge up, but you wanted to use actually the bottom time entry title's description. I can click that. Or I can click this to choose which time entry description and title it takes. Same with merge down, I can do the same thing. So let's say if I merge up, I want to do this, hit that, and you'll see it immediately merges up. It merges into one. And then if I wanted to, let's say, merge down, I can just do merge down, and now that's all in one. Regenerate, get a new title and description, and boom, you're all set. So yeah, these should make actually doing these quick edits a lot more reliable, a lot easier. That's our goal here. They're also available in the time entry inbox. So these will all be available here as well. Some other improvements, we actually have improved the tagging of clients and projects quite a bit. So there was some issues with matching keywords in the title and description. That's going to be improved a lot. So you should see those preset, when the AI can identify projects, clients, and tasks on these time entries. That should be improved a lot too. So yeah, anyway, that's the main gist of it. Hope you guys like it. Please keep the feedback coming. We're just constantly working every day and improving, and hope you're all having a great week and have a great holiday weekend and holidays up ahead.